Using the Eyecloud is simple and comes with everything you need for up to 20 minutes of controlled moist heat, as well as cold compressing. Start by ensuring your eyelids are properly cleansed with one of our available tea tree eyelid and facial cleansers. For moist heat therapy, place one blue Instance gel pack into the Eyecloud goggle, then activate a second Instance gel pack by clicking the metal disc inside, creating a chemical reaction, generating heat. Place into the Eyecloud goggle. Moisten a cotton liner with drinking or bottled water and place over the activated gel pack. Place the Eyecloud over your closed eyelids and adjust the strap so the pressure is evenly distributed. Wear up to 20 minutes. Once all your instant gel packs have been used and have hardened, reset them back into a liquid state by placing them into a boiling pot of water. Boil for 7 to 10 minutes, ensuring the gel packs are completely submerged. Once liquefied, remove the gel packs with a spoon and place on a towel to cool. Additionally, the Eyecloud can be used as a 15-minute cold compress. Simply place 2 bead packs into the Eyecloud goggle, then place into a resealable plastic bag. Put the bag into a freezer for at least 1 hour. Remove from freezer, then moisten a cotton liner with drinking water and lay on top of the Eyecloud goggle. Place the Eyecloud over your closed eyelids and secure with strap.